The Buick GL8 Avenir represents the luxury trim of the long-running GL8 family, sold exclusively in China. Introduced initially as a high-end variant in the third-generation GL8 lineup in 2020, it offers premium levels of comfort, tech, and refinement compared to standard GL8 models. By 2023, it migrated into the fourth-generation GL8 Century Avenir, sporting the latest design identity with new corporate emblems, shark nose styling, and luxury appointments. The latest 2025 update has further refined its character, introducing even more luxury orientation. Exterior design and presence. From the featured 2025 review, the GL8 Avenir showcases a commanding presence. A large trapezoidal grille with Buick's updated emblem, expressive LED headlights, and strong shark nose front styling. The profile remains long and stately, befitting its executive MPV role, while subtle chrome trims and 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels elevate its premium appeal. Earlier video reviews from 2020 and 2023 highlight more refined detailing. The Avenir fascia includes signature A-line styling cues and sharper LED lighting compared to lower trims. Interior and seating layout. True to its luxury billing, the Avenir's interior is a highlight in every review. The model comes in multiple seating layouts, 7-seat, 6-seat, salon style, and high-end 4-seat configurations in flagship trims, but the 6-seat Avenir delivers the best balance of space and premium seating. Materials include Nappa leather, wood or aluminum accents, and soft-touch surfaces throughout. The 6-seat layout features dual captain's chairs in the second row with Harvest-style armrests and a rear-facing ottoman or center console. Reviewers consistently mention how trimming and stitching feel notably upscale and boutique-like. Technology and infotainment. Across all generations, the Avenir variant bundled advanced tech features. A 12.3-inch integrated display covering both instrument cluster and infotainment. Buick eConnect 3.0 connectivity with wireless CarPlay, Baidu CarLife, and remote services. Head-up display projecting critical information in the driver's line of sight. Some variants include a rear 32-inch divider screen with Bose music zones, especially in flagship trims, but second-row Avenir models also get premium audio and rear comfort tech. The featured 2025 review underscores improved software responsiveness and expanded voice control, along with integrated 5G connectivity for streaming and navigation. Performance and powertrain. Starting in 2016, all GL8 Avenir variants switched to a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing approximately 252 horsepower and paired with a 9-speed GM Hydromatic automatic transmission. The powertrain delivers smooth, responsive acceleration ideal for urban and highway cruising. By 2024 to 2025, Avenir versions also became available with plug-in hybrid, PHEV, powertrains, sharing architecture with the standard GL8 PHEV. These offer substantial CLTC range, claimed at over 1,300 kilometers in testing, and better fuel economy. The PHEV's linear electric power delivery and quiet cabin make it well suited to luxury buyers sensitive to noise and emissions. Ride, handling, and NVH quality. Reviewers consistently comment on the GL8 Avenir's floating cushion ride, soft yet controlled, even over broken pavement. Active suspension tuning, double wishbone rear suspension, introduced on this platform, and substantial sound insulation contribute to a near-luxury sedan experience on wheels. Noise, vibration, and harshness (NVH) levels are extremely low. Road and wind noise are suppressed well below typical MPV norms. The PHEV variant adds its own electric drive silence, making it exceptionally composed in city traffic or highway speeds. Comfort and practicality. Space is generous throughout. Third-row passengers are offered adequate leg and headroom, though second-row captain chairs remain the standout. Reviewers frequently praise seat comfort over extended journeys, noting lumbar and cushion support as suited to chauffeur or business class use. The Avenir's cabin feels like a lounge. Ambient lighting, multiple USB ports, individual rear climate controls, and window sunshades reinforce its upscale vibe. Cargo space behind the third row remains usable, though not enormous, more appropriate for family luggage or executive kits than bulky cargo. The 6-seat layout slightly reduces third-row volume but improves overall luxury for 4 or 6 passengers. Safety and driver assistance. While specific driver aid systems vary by model year, standard Avenir specs generally include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, Automatic emergency braking. 360 degrees surround view cameras in higher trims. Users mention these systems feel mature and well calibrated, especially valuable in Chinese traffic scenarios. Pros and cons. Summary. Pros. Truly luxurious MPV in the Chinese market, comparable to high-end European MPV or boutique sedan standards. Multiple seating layouts to suit family, executive, or chauffeur-driven scenarios. Quiet, comfortable ride with strong insulation and PHEV option. Rich technology features, large displays, connectivity, entertainment systems. Well-executed styling and material finishes. Cons. High price bracket, accessible to affluent buyers, not mass market. Cargo behind third row modest, fit select use cases only. PHEV version availability and infrastructure may vary by region. Conclusion. The Buick GL8 Avenir provides one of the most luxurious MPV experiences on offer in China. Whether in the 2020 Avenir, 2023 Century Avenir, or the 2025 latest PHEV-equipped version, it blends premium materials, spacious multi-config seating, cutting-edge infotainment, and a comfortable driving experience into a compelling package. The 2025 iteration, showcased in the highlighted review, refines these strengths further, offering smoother user interfaces, hybrid powertrain benefits, and the most polished styling yet. For buyers seeking executive-level comfort in a high-roof MPV, the GL8 Avenir remains unmatched in its home market. If you'd like deeper specs on pricing, engine output, or comparisons with other luxury MPVs, like Toyota Alphard, Mercedes-Benz V-Class, or Volkswagen Valoran, I'd be happy to provide those next.